Hi everyone! This is the demo for automatic inventory template made by Miss HR. So first, we are BIR registered as Back Office Operation Services. So hindi lang kami basta nagbebenta ng template. We support businesses. We anticipate kung ano yung details na kailangan nyo talaga, ano yung common problems, and we make sure na automatic and easy to use yung templates namin. So kahit hindi kayo magaling sa Excel, kayang-kaya nyo tong gamitin. So here we have the setup sheet. Dito ilalagay yung product names, amount ng items, and SKU. Sa stock in, we have the purchase order info. So example, nung June 10, umorder ako ng Charmaine, automatic SKU. 25 pesos each, 10 pieces yung binili ko. Automatic total amount and status in transit. If today, dumating na yung item, 10 pieces din yung dumating. So, complete yung status. But, if 8 pieces lang yan, incomplete. If nagkamali ako ng encode, error. Then we have the receiver's info. Received by department position PO number remarks. For stock out, ito yung pag may bumili sa inyo, ginamit nyo yung stock ninyo. Example, today, issued to product name, Charmaine, automatic SKU and unit price. Bumili siya ng 10 pieces. Automatic total amount. Then we have the reference number, order status, pwede kayong mamili if packing, pick up, delivered, or consumed, tip, and remarks. For inventory template, this is automatic based on the stock in and stock out. Dito sa yellow highlight, dyan lang kayo mag-encode manually. So here we have the cutoff date kung kailan lang yung summary na gusto nyong makita. So for example, June 1 to 15 lang. Then, we have the product name, SKU, starting pieces. Ito yung pagbagong bili kayo ng template namin. Ilang pieces ba yung andyan sa inyo na coffee beans? So, for example, may existing kayo na 15 pieces, i-encode nyo siya manually. Then, on hand, total on hand, ongoing order, sold, total sold, available quantity, weekly sales average, target weeks of supply, suggested resupply and transit, total inventory, weeks covered after deployment, and run out date. Automatic yan lahat. I will send another video of the comprehensive details or explanation of this summary after you purchase. So ngayon, pinapakita ko lang kung paano mag-encode dito and ano yung features ng template namin. So if you want to avail, just message us on Facebook, Miss HR. If you have any questions, we also have after sales support. So after nyong bumili, if may questions kayo, pwede pa kayong magtanong dun sa page. So again, if you have any questions or suggestions, just let us know. Thank you. Bye-bye.